As you can see, the wind has really picked up. The trees are blowing a lot more. The rain's still coming down pretty good. The county said that the worst part is supposed to come about 6 o'clock, which is another, 2.5 to 3 hours from now. So it's getting bad. I hope none of these trees fall over. I don't know if you can see, but the ground there at the base of the trees can get a little wet. You get standing water there. But our backyard has no water yet. Any water that comes by usually runs straight across and down the row into, past the neighbor's house and around the end of the row.
Whoa! That's like on the plane.
Yep. So we'll give you another video update soon.